Hello guys, welcome to D Trades Academy. Today we're going to be talking about Coinmarketcap. Now, for those of you that have been in the crypto space for a long while, or maybe you're just a newbie in this space, you might have used Coinmarketcap to do a fundamental analysis on a token. All right. So basically, what CoinMarketCap is used for is used to check the tokenomics of a token, or you want to use it for fundamental analysis, check what people are buying, what is the biggest gainers, the biggest losers, the trending token, or you want to just check, whoa, what is this token's market cap right now? What is Ethereum's gas fee right now? What is the entire crypto market cap right now? Whatever it is that you want to use CoinMarketCap for, you can use it for. But the interesting thing about this site right now is that they found a way to be able to reward users. Now, so for you to be rewarded, what the first thing you have to do when using CoinMarketCap is you have to create an account. Now, I know most of you use this site without creating an account, and for you to be able to access these rewards that they just brought up, you have to create an account. So the first thing you need to do is open your phone, open your PC, go to coinmarketcap.com, and once you do that, once you go to coinmarketcap.com, the next thing you have to do is you have to sign up. Now, your sign up button will be somewhere around here, and once you sign up or sign in, the next thing you have to do for you to be able to access the rewards that CoinMarketCap has for its users, you have to just click on this diamond here. Now, for those of you on mobile, you might just have to click on cryptocurrency over here, and you see the diamond part of this list right here, and you just have to click on it. For those of you on mobile, this is how it will look like. But for those on PC, you see the diamond right here, and you just have to click on this diamond. All right, so now if you click on CoinMarketCap diamond, as you can see, guys, this diamond, I have about 260. Now, most of you will be thinking, is this diamond spendable? Can I actually use this to get something for myself? Can I turn this to money? Well, I'm going to tell you guys real soon. Okay, before I get into that, I want you guys to like and subscribe, and let's go into it. All right, so once you come on to coinmarketcap.com and you click on diamonds, as you can see, I have about 260 diamonds. Now, in a way, you'll be able to claim these diamonds every single day. As you can see, I've claimed it for about 2 days and remain the third day for me to claim, which I'll receive 10. Now, the good thing about this is that the more consistent you are, the more they give you more diamonds. So if you can be consistent for about 3 days, every 3 days you get upgraded. So as you can see, after these first 3 days, I'll start claiming 20 diamonds a day, and after this second 3 days, I'll start claiming 50 diamonds a day. Well, that's pretty cool. All right, so I think let's just click on. You can actually click on collect diamonds, or you can just click on the day. So let's just click on collect diamonds. Those on mobile, you can just click on and you'll be able to collect. So let's click on collect diamonds, and you can see it's loading. Let's wait and. All right, let's just complete this. All right, now you can see you have collected 10 diamonds. Come back tomorrow to get more diamonds. All right, let's just click on OK. Now, most of you will be asking, I just claimed this diamond. So how do I get rewarded for this diamond? How do I exchange these diamonds for real cash or something more valuable? Now, when we entered the website, especially this diamond site, my CoinMarket Diamonds, if you look over to the left, you see where it is written rewards. Now, for those of you that is on mobile, it might just be maybe up something. I can't really remember right now. And you can just look for where you see my rewards. So you have to click on my rewards, and now it will show you redeem rewards, my rewards. Now it will show you the amount of rewards you have. This my rewards right here is the amount of rewards you have redeemed. As you can see, I've redeemed only one reward. Now, what are these rewards? Now, these rewards can be in form of gift cards and can also be in form of NFT. Now, recently, about yesterday, they gave gift cards out for about 1,000 diamonds, a $5 gift card, which doesn't seem much. Okay, someone will be asking, like, how will I claim 1,000 diamonds to just get a $5 gift card? All right. So if you really don't want to do that, you can actually use your diamonds to be buying NFTs, to be claiming NFTs. And for me, I think this is the best way to spend your diamonds, claiming NFTs. We all know what is happening in the NFT industry right now, and you can see the mega boom in NFTs. The world is going viral with NFTs. There's music NFT, gaming NFT, whatever you want to think of. Whatever you want to think of is on NFTs. Okay, so I will tell everyone to actually keep their diamonds and claim these NFTs, because in the future they might be worth a lot. As you can see, they are limited. So as you can see, once you claim them, they cannot be created again. So, and if you are someone that actually follows CoinMarketCap Diamonds, you will know that people claim this under minutes. It's sold out. Now, I want to show you guys ways you can redeem more diamonds. Now, there are certain ways you can redeem more diamonds. The first thing you have to do is just you have to scroll down, and you can see you can be completing daily tasks and be getting 10 diamonds. When you join an airdrop, you get 10 diamonds. When you place some price estimates, you get 10 diamonds. When you predict, now you can be doing price action. You actually predict what a coin is going to do, where it's going to close at the end of the day, what price is going to close at, and you actually get diamonds rewarded for that. Predict and get 50 diamonds. As you can see, you can also get more diamonds by joining their referral program. All right. For those of you that have not joined CoinMarketCap yet, or you're just discovering this for the first time, I'll leave a link at the description of this video. So please click on that link, sign up for CoinMarketCap, and start claiming your diamonds and start getting your NFTs, because they might be worth a lot of money later in the future. Thank you guys for watching this video. This is the Trades Academy.